This is Prince, a peculiar and a little stupid soul.
Yo, what the heck, bro?
Today, Prince will be making a Tyrannosaurus Rex enclosure.
Just say T-Rex enclosure.
Just shut up and break down how you made this enclosure, and go on with the video.
So what that means, guys, is we're basically just making a T-Rex enclosure in this video. Yeah, I'm using my voice. Deal with it. Alright, so a quick little breakdown. T-Rex used to live in the Cretaceous period, yada yada yada, we all know this. And used to live in a subtropical type area of the Cretaceous period. So that's going to be our reference basically for the enclosure. As you see right now, I'm just starting with the layout of the enclosure, because these bros can't just live in the wild. Now that we got the fence all settled down, now I'm just starting with the river layout. I really want to have a river in this enclosure, because subtropical means like it has a river, blah blah blah. Yeah, get it. But yeah, I just really messed around with the river here, and just trying to make it perfect and make it flow. Then it just has some dirt to give it life around the river, because the river can't just be green near there. It has to be wet because of the water. Duh. Then I start adding the trees to give the enclosure more life, and obviously, because we just can't have a bald enclosure, bro. Then, we just gotta add all the trees together. Trying to make a blend, you know, of all the trees, different types. And then, Loki switched it, like, midway through. I was just like, nah, I gotta put these trees instead. But yeah, watch it, bro, watch it. Now, I just add a dead carcass from the workshop, because obviously you gotta add that T-Rex just hunted something, duh. And also it's just an excuse because I didn't want to put a bunch of feeders in the enclosure. Now I'm just flipping through all the blueprints so I can get some rocks, because I can put some effect to the water, like a dam in a way. Just really for rocks, I just wanted to put them. Now I start on the home for the T-Rexes, obviously, because T-Rexes live somewhere, dude, in a cave. Go watch Walking with Dinosaurs, they literally have a whole clip of them in a whole cave. Here, I'm just adding the base for everything inside the cave, because, again, obviously the cave wasn't just grass. Now here, I'm just layering a bunch of rocks together with the big cave, because it gives it like a bigger effect, and it makes the whole cave look bigger in general. It's just a lazy method if you don't want to make a whole mountain. Now I'm just adding some detail inside of the cave, so the cave doesn't look bland and boring and depressing. The T-Rex doesn't live in a depressing home. While I'm doing all that boring stuff over there, do y'all actually like these videos? Because, Loki, I don't know what to post, so tell me what I should post. I'll play a bunch of other games. I'm a human, by the way. It's like, yeah, comment. Now I'm adding in a nest because in this world, if I do continue it for other dinosaur builds, put babies. So yeah, baby dinosaurs, baby T-Rexes, because we gotta make it as realistic as possible. I don't even know why I did this. I just tried to add foliage to the water, but low-key I just gave up halfway. It just went with the flow. So yeah. Now we're finally on to the good part, having the dinosaurs in. So here, obviously, I placed the hatchery, I placed the viewing point, whatever it's called. No, a rivalry point. Freaking think. But yeah, and I put that, and then I make the male T-Rex the bull, and then I make just a random female T-Rex pattern, because I didn't want to low-key just throw in another random pattern, and people flame me in the comments like, yeah, I don't even know. I just threw a random T-Rex color on the female. That the T-Rexes are ready, that's the end of the video. So hope you enjoyed, and thanks to this guy. Yeah, he gave me the idea. He's kind of my friend. Yeah, he is my friend. Anyways, bye.